You landed here because you want to make some money. Well, I'm going to show you not only how to make a lot of money, but I'm going to change your thinking a little bit. And when I'm done here, you're going to be like, wow, this makes sense. So let's tell you a little story first. Let's go back in time because nothing's changed about making money. It's all about finding the right niche, and when you do, there's a ton of money in it. Well, if you look back in the 1800s in the United States, there was something called the gold rush. And all these people rushed to California because they heard that they could get filthy rich by digging for gold, right? Well, a lot of them went out there. Thousands of people went out there to get rich. Sound familiar? Just like the internet, right? But the problem was a few actually found gold and did get rich, but a heck of a lot of them didn't. That probably sounds familiar to you right now as well. But who did get rich? Well, the guys that owned the stores that sold all the picks and the shovels and the tools got filthy rich because they weren't concerned about going down in the creek and panning for gold because they had thousands of people that came to buy from them to go pan for gold, okay? I want you to think about that long and hard because in a minute we're going to get back to that. Also, you probably heard of the brand Levi's jeans. A lot of people don't know they got their start during the gold rush. They actually made heavy-duty overalls and jeans and heavy stuff to wear that didn't get all messed up. And every guy had to have a pair if they were a gold miner. That started the Levi's company, and you know what kind of success that happened with Levi's. Why? They found a niche that people went after. They didn't have to go pan for gold because they made their own gold because they had an audience that everybody said, yes, I need your stuff. Okay, so now I want to take that into the world of the internet. You probably have looked at all kinds of stuff today. You've probably been through all kinds of different business opportunities and put your name in all kinds of forms, and you're looking at everything out there, which is great. Okay, and maybe you're already involved in one, and that's great too because we can help you. But I want you to think about something for a minute. 9 out of 10 people that get involved in a home-based business don't make any money. That's the statistics. Basically, 99% of the people fail. Why? Because they don't know what they're doing, and they're in what we call the NFL, the No Friends Left Club. So every one of them are trying to go out there on the internet, and they're trying to figure out how to find people to join their business. The problem is most of them are doing it with their company's website, or they're doing it with some lame capture page that isn't done correctly or the company gave them, or thousands of people are using the same one and they're not getting any results. The other thing in it is they don't know how to market it correctly, and they don't really know how to get hot leads, right? So 9 out of 10 of them fail. But here's the crazy part. Most of them have spent hundreds of dollars to join a company. They were excited enough to spend hundreds of dollars, even over $1,000, to join a company, and they really want success. The problem is they're struggling. So what we're about to show you in the next videos is we have the hottest marketing system ever designed that works with any company, any product, any service, and it gets people massive results, gets them tons of hot leads, and helps people build a massive business. We have the top 6 and 7 figure earners from almost every company you can name that are using this system, and they're bringing their teams onto this system. Now that being said, we're going to show you in the next couple of videos how it works, how it's non-technical, and how you can build amazing marketing funnel systems that every single person in this industry needs and wants. Again, you look at the gold miners, right? They're the gold miners. They're out there trying to make the money. If someone said, I had a map that's going to show you exactly how to get the gold, every one of them would want to buy it. Well, what I'm about to show you is the marketing system that takes anybody from the average Joe and teaches them how to get really high up on their leaderboard, where they can win the cars in their company, where they can get the big checks on stage. We have so many people having success stories and so many testimonials that are coming out of using this system. Everybody wants to have it. But here's the really cool part, is we actually pay you, and we're paying out a lot of money. We pay actually every single Friday. We pay you a ton of money to help people find this system, and you give it to them. Now, every one of these people are looking for success. 9 out of 10 of them aren't having success. Actually, most of them are failing miserably. So when they see this system, they have to have it. They can't wait to get their hands on it. The training, the leads, the marketing system, it's a no-brainer. They got to have it. Well, because of that, we pay out every single Friday to people like you. So again, you want to go out there and and build whatever business, or do you want to sell the picks and shovels that every company has? Or do you want to be in one business and just sell that one product and service and hope that everybody does that, when you know that millions of people there's billions of people in skincare and millions of people in travel and millions of people in legal services and et cetera, all these different businesses and services? Do you want to sell just one product and service, or would you like to open up the floodgates and have something to offer to every one of those people in all those companies that they want, they need, and can't wait to get? If that's the case, click on the button, go to the next video, and we're going to show you this system step by step how it works. We're excited to show it to you, and we can't wait to work with you and get you paid every single Friday.